Hi, my name's Danielle Collins and I'm the world-leading face yoga expert, and I'm going to lead you through some face yoga that you can do before bed. It's going to help you to relax any tension from the day and also help you to wake up with much more glowing skin. So remember, with face yoga you want to try and do it regularly, so I really do recommend a regular program. You can use one of my apps by searching Danielle Collins on your app store, or you could use my book by searching Danielle Collins Face Yoga on Amazon. So let's get started with some really nice calming techniques that you can use before you go to bed. So the first technique that I recommend is just placing an index finger between the eyebrows. So just breathing in and out through the nose as you press this point with as much or as little pressure as feels right for you. As you press this point, you're helping to stimulate an acupressure point, which has been used for thousands of years in Indian medicine and Chinese medicine for helping to calm the mind, for helping to promote good sleep. It also relaxes this procerus muscle between the eyebrows. We hold a lot of tension in this muscle and we tend to pull this area in, which creates number 11 lines, or those vertical lines between the eyebrows. So by relaxing this muscle, you're less likely to frown and pull in that area during the night, and therefore less likely to wake up with lines. So just do a little massage here, just a small massage in a circular action. And then the other way. Good, and you should already start to feel a little bit calmer. Doing that deep breathing with it really makes a difference as well. Then you can just place this acupressure point here. So as you gently press here, again, it's a renowned point for helping to reduce stress and a very good point for helping to reduce insomnia. As you press here, it's also helping to relax tension around the eye area. So again, focus on your breathing in through the nose and out through the nose. This is really going to help to calm the central nervous system for before you go to bed at night. So let's massage in one direction and let's massage in the other direction. So now we're just going to help to boost the circulation in the skin by doing little tapping massages. This is going to help to bring all the fresh blood and nutrients and oxygen up to the skin surface. It's also going to relax any tension in muscles. And the more that you go to bed with calm, relaxed muscles and boosted circulation and lymphatic drainage, the better your skin will look when you wake up in the morning. So just do that again. Another good time to do this is just after you've applied your moisturizer or serum or oil. By tapping like this, it really does help the product to penetrate deeper into the skin. Then just rub your hands together here. Really build up that warmth, build up that energy. Cup the hands over the face. Let those muscles relax. Inhale and then exhale. Bring your hands down. Keep your eyes closed for a moment. Visualize every muscle in the face feeling as relaxed as possible. Enjoy that feeling of calm, healthy mind and glowing, vibrant skin. And when you're ready, open your eyes, and you're now ready for a wonderful night's sleep. Take care. Bye-bye.